Alright guys, check this out. Ho ho ho, you know what's that mean? This is a 13 X3 N55 engine. Has a little problem, it stink. I've been having this problem for months and months now. So a month ago we used this Wins product, Airco Fresh. It's kind of like a stink bomb. You pull the cap and then you press this button right here. It's empty. We used it last month, and we start the engine, leave it here, do its own thing and run the engine. All the windows closed. That was a month ago. That didn't work. It worked a little bit, but not much. Now the smell came back again. So I'm gonna try this method right here. Lysol. You can buy this at any grocery store or any retail store. We're gonna put this direct to the cabin filter and then apply this, spray this on there while the vehicle is running. Alright, so on this BMW 2013 X3, the cabin filter on this one is outside. Alright, so here's the under the hood. Cabin filter is on the passenger side. I replaced the cab filter on this. I made a video about this already, so if you want to check that out, I'm gonna post one on this description on this video, the link how to change the cabin filter. Alright, so there's the tabs right on the front here. Just have to peel that off, and this cap on the top will come out, and then there's the cabin filter right there. Alright, so take the first layer off. There's a tabs right there that needs to come out on both sides. One on this side and one on the other side. So fresh air coming in here, going into that hole right there. So we're gonna spray our aerosol on that hole right there. There's a blower motor fan right there. That's where you're gonna spray that aerosol right on that window right there, so that it will circulate, get that moist, that smell out of the vehicle. So let's go in the cab. We're gonna start the vehicle and turn on our AC. Right, let's make sure all the window is down when we do this. We're just gonna do the front window. We don't really need the whole window. Okay, so when I put the AC on, somehow the circulating door is closing. You can see it's closed, but if I turn it off, so you see that if I turn off the AC, it open up. So we're just gonna turn off the AC, but we have the vent running, so this is good. Alright guys, so it's been running for about 15. It smells a lot better now. Okay, we'll keep spraying again and we'll let it idle for another 5-10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been running total for about 30 minutes now on idle. It smells way better than before. It was like a old wet rag, old clothing, like just must, like an old barn smell in here. That's what it was. But now it's nice and fresh, way better, way better. So let's let it sit for a couple days, because this car is not gonna move anywhere. We'll close the window, we'll park it for a couple days and then come back, and let's see what's the result. Alright guys, it's been sitting for all day. Let's see how this thing feels like. Alright, it's gonna fast forward for 5 minutes here. Alright guys, it's been running for about 5 minutes. It smells pretty good in here. Way better. I got the AC on, nice and cool. My god. Yeah, that Lysol spray really works. So hopefully on your situation when you watch this video, hopefully that helps out guys. Do that method. Just get one from Walmart or something like that, or Home Depot. I got mine from dollar store for like $4 or $3. This was a really good deal. And then work on your vehicle, get that smell out. Perfect. That's it guys. This thing is a fix. No more smell. All right, so that's it. This is a fix. Like always, thumbs up, like the video, subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.